Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of employment practices liability insurance, or EPLI, what it covers, and why it's crucial for businesses. Buckle up as we explore 10 real-life jaw-dropping cases where EPLI played a major role. Let's get started. First up, the explosive Fox News scandal of 2016. The network faced a storm of lawsuits from employees accusing high-ranking executives of rampant sexual harassment. The fallout was massive, with millions in settlements and a complete overhaul of the company's internal policies. Next, we have Walmart in 2011. A former employee took legal action, claiming wrongful termination after reporting unsafe working conditions and labor violations. Walmart settled the case, underscoring the importance of protecting whistleblowers and addressing grievances properly. Moving on, Abercrombie & Fitch made headlines in 2004 for all the wrong reasons. They were hit with a discrimination lawsuit accusing them of biased hiring practices. The case highlighted how crucial it is for companies to ensure fairness in their employment practices. And who could forget Google in 2018? The tech giant faced a whirlwind of claims after employees alleged retaliation for protesting the company's handling of harassment claims. This case brought attention to the need for fair treatment of those who speak out. In 2017, Dollar General was in the hot seat for failing to accommodate an employee's disability. The lawsuit centered around the company's lack of necessary adjustments, shining a light on the importance of supporting employees with special needs. Chipotle faced a sizzling class action lawsuit in 2016 over wage and hour violations. Employees claimed they weren't paid for overtime and missed meal breaks. This case underlined the need for companies to adhere to fair wage practices. In 2020, IBM was sued for wrongful discipline and discrimination. Former employees alleged unfair treatment based on age and gender, proving that even tech giants aren't immune to EPLI claims. Cumulus Media found itself in hot water in 2018 with a defamation lawsuit. A former employee claimed the company made damaging and false statements about her. This case showcased how EPLI can protect against reputational damage. AIG's 2012 case involved invasion of privacy claims. Employees alleged their communications were improperly monitored, leading to emotional distress. It's a stark reminder of the importance of respecting employee privacy. And last but not least, Barclays Bank in 2013 faced a lawsuit for sexual orientation discrimination. An employee claimed unfair treatment and hostility due to their sexual orientation, emphasizing the need for inclusive and respectful workplace environments. There you have it, 10 high-profile cases where EPLI insurance was a game-changer. These stories highlight why having the right insurance is crucial for managing employment-related risks. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next episode where we dive into another fascinating topic. Thanks for watching.